Here we've got a Striper 2901 we're doing some work on, and the owner wants a new driver's seat. It's not as simple as just unbolting the old seat and putting a new seat on. Here's the original seat that came with the boat. Now the owner wants something that provides better lateral support and more shock absorption. Now this one is mounted straight on the fiberglass, so the only absorption you're getting is from the foam inside. And my observation is the seat is too wide for one person and too narrow for two people. Here's the new seat he has chosen. It's a Shockwave seat made by Corbin, as you can see on the label. There's the Shockwave. It's got armrests that flip up both sides. It's got very firm foam, and it's got the lumbar support. The seat will be mounted on this Shockwave base and a swivel. It's got a swivel and slider on it, this black thing here. And then you can see the shock in there. Now it's adjustable by a couple of inches by adjusting these bolts right there. So right now it's at the lowest position. So we made a cutout of the original base, and you can see the bait tank inside. So he's losing a little bit of that, but not too much. He says he doesn't even use it. So we've made a mold, which we'll show you next, and we're just about ready to paste the new piece down. After we made the cutout, we had to make a mold to make a new fiberglass piece to fill in that hole, which will be the new mounting base for the seat. So this here is made out of MDF and laminate, and the corners are filled with some filler, radius. This flange edge is laminate. Here's the piece we made to place over where it was cut out. Here is the seat finished in place. You can see the fiberglass base underneath. We had to cut the front out so we could have access to get in there to glass the base to make it solid and safe. The seat's got a slider and a swivel on it. Looking from the back, we had to reattach the hinges here for this hatch. Here's something else we custom made. It's just a handrail for the passenger. Stainless rail with a little pad we made.